This is the complete guide how to replace the mid-transmission belt on your Husqvarna R216 all-wheel drive rider. It's quite a simple job. It takes about 10-15 minutes and I'll take you through every step of the way in less than 5 minutes. First thing is to disconnect the front belt. And since this is something we do mostly all the time, I'm not going to show it in detail. What we have to do now is to remove 2 plastic covers on the right side and 1 plastic cover on the left side. This is the front panel, 2 screws. Oh man. I can see here the transmission belt, the mid belt is sort of turned around, something wrong there. And this is the belt to the cutting deck. That one looks nice. And the back plastic panel has 2 screws you have to remove. And mind you, this screw is a bit shorter, so keep track of that because it's not supposed to scrape the belts back here. Oh yeah, here's the transmission, the mid belt. On the left side we have 2 screws that have to be removed. And here you can see the protective guardrail here, and this is the tensioner. I'm just going to loosen this screw. You don't have to remove it completely. Yeah, that will do. And I'll remove it on the right side. Back in the front with the double pulley here, with the cutting deck belt. Got to get that one off. You got this metal hook here. There's one on the other side that you have to bypass. On the other side, it's sort of a tight spot, so you have to jiggle it around to get it loose. Yeah, I can't see what I'm doing here, but I feel it just sliding off over there. Yeah, I've been wrestling with this for some time. Oh, now we got the cutting belt loose. And we should get the transmission belt off. Yeah. I'm just going to get it loose on the other side. Oh yeah, you can see here, it's all torn up. Yeah, well, we got that one loose. Yeah, the spring function is working, but maybe it could go a bit smoother. But I'm going to spray it with some lubricant just in case. To put on the new belt, you have to pull up the lift lever. Sliding in the new belt from this side. There, now it popped into place. And I would suggest, because the new fresh belt out of the box is kind of stiff and rigid, that you reattach this protective metal thingy here, otherwise it will fall out of place. In the front we got the double pulley here. And you got this metal thing here, it's a belt guard, and there's another pointy bit on the other side. You have to pay attention to that when you pull this over. Jumped over the first belt guard quite nicely. We just have to wiggle it up above the next one. Make sure you feel that it has come across the other belt guard on the other side here, otherwise you're going to get problems. After that we put on the belt for the cutting deck. You have to use your fingers to push it over the belt guard on the other side. And there's a sticky spot here. Oh well, that went fairly easy. Just going to pull down the tensioner to see that everything is on the right spot. And remember, putting back these screws, use the short one to the back side, otherwise you'll get problems. Same thing for the back panel. Use the short screw for the back side and the long screw in front. Perfect. Just gonna put on the belt for the cutting deck here. We're good to go. I hope this video helps you somehow. And see you next time.